Welcome back to another episode of Wednesday Watts with Ghazala. To those of you who are new to the channel, I am Ghazala Zaidi and I help you in becoming a better version of you every single day by my daily inspirational and informative videos. I answer your queries every Wednesday. And yes, I also get a lot of experts on the channel who help you in your well-being. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and do hit the like button. The question that we are answering today is by one of my favorite subscribers, Arunesh Gautam, and he says, "Thank you for your insightful and informative videos. They are really helpful." Thank you, Arunesh. I am always wondering about what makes me feel more tired even after I take a full night's sleep. Okay. So this is a very important question because a lot of us face this problem, that even though we think that we are taking a full 7 to 9 hours of sleep, we still wake up the next day tired and groggy. Now there can be a number of reasons for this problem. We'll try to cover the major ones of them. The first and the foremost is that your sleep is disturbed. So our sleep is generally in phases. There is a deep sleep phase and then there are not so deep sleep phases. Our body rejuvenates and repairs itself during the deep sleep. If you're not getting quality sleep because of any reason, maybe your partner snores, okay, if that is not the reason, then maybe some issues with your room temperature or lights or noise, that is affecting the quality of your sleep. Then even though you are sleeping for 9 hours or 8 hours, you might not feel refreshed the next day. If you're wondering how to get good quality sleep, I have made a really helpful video on it. So please don't forget to check it out. It would be somewhere here in the link. Another reason could be you're eating or drinking something which is affecting the quality of your sleep. For example, a lot of people take alcohol right before they doze off. Even though you might think that alcohol is helping you sleep, but no, it actually interferes with your sleep in the later part of the night, which is the time when you are getting the most quality sleep. Similar could be with caffeine or acidic and oily foods. That is why it is always advisable to avoid alcohol, caffeine or any acidic foods at least 3 to 4 hours before your bedtime. Number 3 reason could be that you're staying in bed for too long even after you wake up. And this happens with most of us. So even after we wake up, we kind of keep snoozing our alarm and going back to bed, and we are not sleeping at that time. What actually happens is our mind is a complicated thing. Okay, if you don't trick it, it will trick you, my dear. So if you keep lying in bed even after you have woken up, your mind starts to feel tired. You may feel that laziness and fatigue during the entire day. So from tomorrow morning when you wake up, just put your alarm off and get out of the bed like that. And check how active you feel after that. Fourth reason, and very important, is that you might be oversleeping. Now this is very interesting. A lot of us think that when we are deprived of sleep, we kind of tend to cover it up on the weekends by sleeping more, and we think we'll get refreshed, but it is not like that. You know, as I said, that we sleep in cycles, and all of our cycles are around 90 minutes of time. So when we oversleep, we tend to wake up in our deep sleep cycle. And when you wake up from a deep sleep cycle, your mind is just not ready to wake up. That is why you end up feeling even more tired than you were before you slept. If you want me to make a detailed video on sleep cycle, what time to go to bed, what time to wake up, what is the duration of the sleep cycles, what actually happens in those sleep cycles, please do put a comment in the comment section box so that I know that you want those videos. Another reason could be that you are going to bed at the wrong time. Now there's a very interesting concept called chronotypes. Every person has a different chronotype. That means that you are either a morning person or a night person or someone in between. So you might have seen people telling you that I generally don't feel like rising up in the morning and I feel more active during the night. But there are other people who feel more active in the morning time and less active during the night time. So basically everyone has an internal biological clock. And if you are a night person, but you are going to bed at 10, taking full 8 hours of sleep and waking up at 6 a.m., you will never feel refreshed because that is not your natural internal clock. So you need to understand your chronotype to adjust your sleeping times accordingly. These are some of the major reasons that might be responsible for your tiredness and your fatigue during the day, even when you have slept for full 8 hours. But if not, then I strongly recommend you to see a doctor to check yourself for a sleep disorder. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Toodles.